Yeah, ladies, see in the building, we finally arrived at the biggest beauty exchange center of China. Like you can see here, it's written Foreign Trade Service Center. Here, you can find everything in the name of beauty. As long as it has to do with beauty, here is where you want to go to. You have the hairs, cosmetics, beauty products, all sorts. And here you can actually fabricate. You have different factories, representative stores that are presented in this center. So you can come here and customize anything you want, from bottles to creams to makeups, lipsticks, foundations, brushes, name it, and you will get it here, as long as it has to do with beauty. And also the slimming products. I forgot that. Slimming products, you have them here. So let me know if you need extra help, and I will help out. Contact me using the number of the screen, which is WhatsApp or the WeChat or whatever means, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, whatever. Just let me know and I'll get back to you. One of my assistants may get back to you if I'm not available, okay? Okay, let's take it for a walk. Take this area. Yes, this is China. It is beautiful, I know, right? Here you have to customize. Girls, that has to do with pedicures, and manicures, nails. So you can imagine a product like this, and you can only have it for just $1. Look at the design. Come on. You don't have to do anything. Just stick and go. $1. But the problem is you can't order less than 100 pieces. You need to order 100 of this, and this can be delivered to you. Yeah. Let's move on to the next. Okay, there we go. You can see an entire pack like this. You can have it for $6 a pack. Imagine all of this. $6. And you can only order at least 10 pieces. You can't order one, at least 10 pieces. Because it's Chinese vacation, Chinese holidays, a lot of stores, like so many of them are closed down because they have to go for vacation. What we have. This is a high-end customization OEM. You can customize whatever you want. So here I presented different designs and different stones that you can incorporate with your designs. You just have to let the factory know what you want. If you can see the items that are here, they're kind of unique. These are just the different materials that you would tell them to incorporate in the nail design that you want. You can see here, all of these are different designs. So you just tell them what you want, and they're gonna fix it and give you a sample right at the spot, and you make your choice. So you can see different ready-made designs for you to work on. Please come on. Look at this fine beauty here. Oh my god. You did it yourself. Oh my god, that's fancy, right? So, like I said, this is total high-end. Designing something like this, you should be working at least. That is like $20. $20. This is like the high-end. Okay, I'm bringing you here to my favorite factory direct sales. I always buy my things from this store. They have a variety. Foundations, eyelashes, you know, all the glam, anything that has to do with glam is in this store. And you also have lots of braids. Come on, let's go. Hey friends, I forgot to tell you so. Scent factory, perfumes, any kind of scent you want, you can get it from this factory. This is actually the showroom where they represent different bottles of whatever you want, and even so whatever brand you want, you just ask them, but you have to order at least 5,000 bottles. You don't want to know the price. You don't want to know the price. It's so cheap. Like, so cheap.